I am back, you guys. It's been a crazy freaking day, but I just got my massage gun in from Opove and I'm so excited. I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys because I had actually ordered this for the new year. I really want to start prioritizing my muscle recovery so that way I can go back into the gym and continue to lift even heavier than the previous week. So when I'm sore, sometimes I have to take more rest days, and I'm sorry, but I just have not been prioritizing that in the past. So this year I'm definitely making it a priority to do that. So shout out to Opove for sponsoring today's video and for sending your girl a personal massage gun, because I've always wanted to have one of these and I'm really excited that I have it here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link to it in the description box below. You could also get these on Amazon as well, and I'm really excited about this, and I'm more excited to not be sore because you guys know I'm in the gym almost every single day. I'm lifting super heavy weights, like 330 pounds for like a leg press, like I'm squatting heavy. So with that, it puts a lot of toll on my body. It's tearing apart my muscle tissue. So I really want to aid and help with the recovery time by massaging myself. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. This one, the model that I have is the Apex. Really sleek, really chic. I got the black one. They do have different color options as well. So I just thought the black would be nice just to have. Inside, it does come with its own case as well, which is really nice to travel with. You can take it with you to the gym if you want to incorporate this within your stretching routine. Also just keeping it nice and safe because it comes with a lot of accessories, which is really nice. This is nice, bro. So we have the instruction manual. I don't read that. I don't need instructions. And then we also have like the power cord here and the base of the massage gun. It's a really nice compact design and it's very like sleek and chic. It's like this satin material to it. It's very soft. It has a grip here for your hands, so that way it's a lot more comfortable for you to use on yourself, which is nice. And then also inside the case is the attachments. So this is what really caught my eye because it's not just a basic massager with one head. It actually comes with 6 different massaging heads. So basically you can pick one that's going to best suit your body part wherever you want to go ahead and use this. At the base, you can see there's just an on and off switch. Perfect. And then there's also a button here at the bottom, but this is the grip that I was talking about. So it's actually pretty comfy. Has a little bit of a weight to it on its own, but the grip for sure allows me to like have a nice hand on it when it's actually on. So I just put this basic, wow, it's moving pretty quick. I put a basic head to it. Ooh. Wow, my quads. Yeah, this is going to be so nice for muscle recovery because, girl, if you work out consistently back to back, it's nice to have something like this in your stretch routine as well as your, ooh, I can't even talk. This feels so good. There's also 3 different speeds if you just press the button at the bottom. Wow, my leg feels amazing. It's pretty deep, like a deep tissue massage. I would definitely compare it to, just because it's really going in and helping to break up like all the knots. And I personally have a lot of issues in my back area and then like this area. Yeah, this is where I'll be. So if you guys want to check this out, I'll go ahead and pop the link in the description box below. And thanks again to Opove Apex for sponsoring today's video today. Oh man, look at my fit today. I'm about to change my socks though. Put on some high socks for my leg day with my Converse. But I've been filming videos all morning, you guys, and I'm super excited to edit them and post them because I'm doing a bo+tee honest review, unsponsored of course. So I actually want to wear this to the gym today to actually test it out because I've never tried the activewear from bo+tee. So I'm interested to see how I will like it because y'all know, let me tell y'all know I'm a ride or die for Alphalete. I have an Alphalete jacket on right now, and I'm so loyal. Like if I like a brand, chances are I'm probably just gonna buy everything in in the same like collection but different colors whenever they release, which is what I do with the Amplify, and I just have not been able to find anything better than the Amplify. So I'm trying my best to branch out to other brands and test out different activewear, just because honestly sometimes it does get a little boring, I'm not gonna lie, wearing the same things all the time, and I kind of want to just spice it up a little bit. And a color like this, I'm not gonna lie, it's making me really excited to go to the gym despite how cold and gross it is outside. It just snowed yesterday, so it's like really dirty looking, you know what I mean? Like when it gets like not cute anymore and you're just hashtag over it. Me right now. So I'll be updating you guys in the video how I feel about this in the gym, so stay tuned for that. And I also had ordered some stuff a little bit ago from Nordstrom, from Skims, because they actually had stuff that I wanted in stock in my size. It's $12.50 and I want to kind of head out in 20 minutes. Yeah, because I need a coffee. I need to just get out of the house. I've been talking to myself all day. Well, really to you guys, but I feel like I'm losing my voice or something. I'll give you, I guess, a sneak peek of it in this video or whatever. I really like it. I'm feeling really thick in the lower body, especially with this little crop jacket on. Or is it the angle of the vlog? I don't know. But the bum is doing what it needs to do, okay, you guys? It really is. She is sitting today. Yeah, I'm just feeling extra thick in this outfit. But I wanted to wear this jacket around my waist because I'm not sure about this contour. It's a little, I don't know, invasive, I guess. So if I feel uncomfortable, y'all, I'm finna try this thing around my waist. And I feel like somehow it makes the bum look even more flattering. So I don't know. It's definitely a nice little outfit. I like the material. So yeah, that's my little update on that so far. Just trying to make sure I have a mental checklist that I have everything done. I literally filmed 3 videos today. And I need to go ahead and organize all of this footage on my computer. I have not uploaded a video in what seems like over a week. So I'm just trying to get back into that routine again. Ugh, can't talk. I don't even know how to vlog anymore. I haven't been vlogging. I haven't had my computer. Like, I just haven't been on my computer. And I haven't even posted on Instagram in literally a week. I posted an outfit today. So I've really just been doing me, you know? And it's been great. Love that for me in 2022. Love that for me. So it's my little fit for today. But I'm gonna shoot, I really wanted to show you that Nordstrom stuff, but I do not feel like trying on any more clothes. Should I save that for another day? I don't know. I'm gonna go figure it out. I'll be right back. Go to bed. Oh my god, he looks like my grandpa in that little plaid shirt. Who put that on you? Did grandma put that shirt on you? Say, why she have me out here looking like an old man? Why she do you like that? Okay. I'm about to open up these boxes only because I'm trying to clean my room, and y'all, it's been, I don't even want to talk about how like crazy this week has been. Anyway, I'm so upset because I had actually ordered 2 additional items from Skims on Nordstrom, and I was tracking this stuff and it said, oh, we're gonna cancel 2 items. I guess they didn't have it in stock or whatever, and they were like the 2 that I really wanted. So I guess I'm gonna have to just order it from the Skims website, but I just feel like I'd rather get it from Nordstrom, a quicker return if it doesn't work out for me. So I actually ended up getting one of these like ribbed tank tops. I have these in a couple other colors. I wear them to sleep all the time, but this color was so pretty. It's called Wood. It looks really big. The ones I have are more cropped. This is a size small. So I really like the neutrals. And then to go with it, I wanted to get a pair of pants, which, you guys, I'm sorry, I cannot try on these. I've been trying on clothes all day and Your girl is tired. These are a size small as well. Oh, they're ribbed. I don't know why I thought they would be smooth. Okay, this looks good. I feel like their pants can be questionable when it comes to the sizing. Like, I swear I watched some reviews saying that they run really big and you should size down. So I was a little bit hesitant with the sizing, but this looks like it's pretty stretchy. And I thought these would be super cute as a set to wear around the house or loungewear or whenever I'm just filming. It looks pretty thin though, so I don't know if I could wear this out of the house. And then it goes into like a flare pant at the bottom, so very soft. I love Skims so much. They have like really nice quality, and I've washed my Skims stuff over and over and over and it still looks good. I just don't put it in the dryer though, because the dryer just messes up everything. Why did I put this big old paper in here, bruh? Okay, and then I got literally the same pants but in black because I'm going through a phase right now where I'm really loving all black outfits. I think because I went so long not wearing black because I used to wear black all the time that I kind of missed it a little bit. So I really hope I like these pants, y'all. They were not cheap, okay? But I feel like the black maybe I could get away with wearing out in public. I saw Olivia, gosh, I don't know what her last name is. It starts with an M. Olivia, she's a fit girl. Goals, okay? She had these on in the gray and I was like, oh girl, I'm gonna need to go ahead and snatch me a pair of those, but they were out of the gray. Actually looks a little sheer. So I don't know, guys. I'm hoping that these will be a nice pant to wear, and instead of getting a ribbed crop, I wanted to go for a long sleeve, just basic t-shirt. I really like their tops. Like, they just do them so well. You see how it kind of cinches in the waist? They're just so like fitting to the body. They're also very stretchy. So I got a small for this, and obviously I feel like this is a basic that I could wear with jeans, you know, not just, well, it's not even for loungewear, it's a legit shirt, okay? But I thought it would look really nice with these pants. The blacks don't look identical though, so I think they might be a little bit different. This is Snoot or Suit. I don't know where I got Snoot. There's no N in it. And this one is in the color Onyx. So they are a little bit different, but black is black, right? So yeah, those are my cute little Skims outfits that I wanted to pick up because I'm just all about quality over quantity, and I just wanted to invest in some cute pieces that I could incorporate since it's getting really cold here in the DMV for a while. It's so crazy. Like, December was so hot. It was like freaking 70 degrees, and then all of a sudden the new year came and it's like, okay, here's the snow. Shut up. Here's the winter, you know? It is just a beautifully sunny day, guys. It's been so freaking gloomy. Okay. I am just going through it today. I've just been on a mission because I have been so behind. I just got an Ups delivery from Alphalete. Yes, because I have a shopping problem. I had to order these leggings, you guys. I saw they did a mini restock, and I was kicking myself for not ordering these to begin with. I could open it. And I got a full outfit. So these are the Amplify leggings in, of course, Victory Blue. I thought originally, oh, I don't need to get them because I have Oceana and they probably are similar. Oh, they kind of do look similar, but this material is a lot stretchier, so I feel like it's a lot brighter. I'll have to compare the colors when I get home. But yeah, they restocked and now they're all sold out. So I definitely copped it at the perfect time. They also did a mini restock of the shorts, which I didn't end up getting because I don't really wear shorts. The ones I have, I'll wear for like an at-home workout, but I don't even work out at home. So that doesn't even make sense. Save my money. And then I ordered a matching top. I got this in a size bigger because I wanted to see what the fit was gonna be like. Victory Blue. This color is so nice on my skin. Yeah, I feel like this color is in between Tuxedo Blue and the Oceana color, which I don't own Tuxedo Blue, so yay. super excited about that. Throw it in the back. It's a mess. I need a car wash. I just got one and it just, you know, stormed with all that snow. So I got all this salt on my car. Not happy about it. But anyway, I'm gonna go link up with my friend. Definitely need a coffee. And I brought a salad with me that I got from Trader Joe's last night. So I'm probably gonna eat that as well. I've been loving vegetables, like raw veggies, aka salads and fresh produce. Like I just don't and haven't eaten those things. My body was deprived. So I just got in the habit of incorporating them in my meals and I feel so much better. I feel like alive. As ridiculous as that sounds, like as someone that's worried about calories and eating a lot, I stopped eating fresh vegetables and salads. Like I used to eat salads all the time, like big salads, but I would get so full, but they're so low calorie. Like I was like, I can't be eating this because I get full so fast and there's like no calories in this. So I eat rice and potatoes and meat and healthy oils, you know, stuff like that that is more like calorie dense, just because it's easier for me to eat what I need to. But I've been loving fresh veggies. Love that for me in 2022. Definitely adjusting things, still doing what we're supposed to be doing this year, but tweaking it a little bit. Because I'm at Starbucks right now, a little Starbies. Brought my laptop. Gonna upload this video if I can open it.
I left my headphones at home.
It's not like you even use them.
Oh, dang.
This isn't gonna take long. Do you need your headphones for the gym? You're gonna actually wear headphones? All I know is I hope this is fast, you guys, because I'm not gonna sit here for all day. I edited my bo+tee video, so I'm about to put that up on the YouTube, and I already did the thumbnail. So I'm pretty excited. Can you give me a straw, please? Thank you. Brown sugar, shaken espresso. How long is this video? I thought it was under 20 minutes. Thank you. But yeah, we're gonna go to the gym after this anyway, so it's fine. I wanted to take you guys with me. Get in a little workout, test out these freaking leggings. And if I don't like them, I have my outfit in the car.
Star, you ain't ever gonna forget your buddies always stuck by you. Now I get it.
No, of course not.
Of course not.